So Windows Security Centers won't start. Here's how to fix it. The Windows Security Center is the heart of your online protection, so it can be worrying if it can't start. Here how to get it open again and some methods to fix this problem. Windows Security Center is an integral part of your operating system security ecosystem. It helps you monitor the health status of critical Windows security components such as Microsoft Defenders. Because of this, it can be concerning when you suddenly get the following error message: the Windows Security Center service can't be started. So the longer Windows Security Center is down, the longer your computer is at risk. Luckily, you can take a few troubleshoot steps to fix the problem. Let's start the step number 1. Check for a malware infections. Now malware infections, definitely your security center is not running. You can download any third-party antivirus or malware, try to update your malware and try to solve your problem. So go into the settings and Windows updates and security. Check for updates, might be there's any update available for malware. If it is, then download and try to scan your PC for malwares. So here I'm searching for malware. Unfortunately, I don't have any malware for Windows 10. You can download it, and sometimes it's appear over here in the update. So if it's not downloaded, you can download it. Anyways, let's move on the second steps. That's the important. We need to check out the make sure Windows Security Center configuration is okay. For Windows Security Center to start properly, you need to ensure that the configuration of the services it depends on are not a mess. Open the Windows Service Manager by pressing the Windows plus R and then you need to type here the services.msc, hit enter. Now we are in services window. We need to find here the Windows Management Instrumentation. Just press select any service and then press W to find the Windows Management and Instrument. Make sure it's on startup type should be on automatic, and in case if it's automatic, that's fine. Make sure to run the service if it's stopped. Already it's running right now for me, but in your case if it's not running, then click on start. You can also click here to restart this service in case if it's not running properly. Okay, now the second step you can do here: perform a WMI repository repair. A corrupt WMI repository can make Windows Security Centers fail to start, and repairing it can fix the issue in most cases. So simply click on the Windows icon, then you need to type here the CMD and then right click on it and run as administrator. You can also click here on the right side, run as administrator, and your command prompt will run by administratorly. Now this time we need to type here the command will be mentioned in the description, so simply you need to copy and paste and hit enter. Now WMI repository is consistent. In case if the repository is fine, you will get a message saying WMI repository is consistent, but if it is not, you can repair it by typing the second command also mentioned in the description. So you can type here the second command. When Windows finish repairing the WMI repository, command prompt will display the message WMI repository has been slaved. So restart your computer and check if everything is okay with Windows Security Center. Now in my case it's showing something different because my WMI repository is consistent, so that's why. Anyways, now close it. Let's move on the step number 3. Fix Windows Security Center issue with system file checker. So same thing we need to do here. Just click on the Windows icon, then type CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes. Now this time you need to type here the sfc /scan now. This will scan your entire PC, the Windows ISO, etc. So once Windows complete the scan, restart your PC and see if the problem resolved or not. If still you are facing, then only the last option left for you: perform a Windows repair. Now if you have a USB 8GB and Windows 10 ISO, you can simply reboot your PC and make your USB bootable, and then reboot your PC and repair your Windows. If you don't have these things, then the last option you can do here, reset your Windows. Just go into the settings and find here the Windows Update and Security, and then recovery, get started, and remove everything. Removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So this will actually reinstall your Windows completely and reset as well. So these these methods will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.